Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making thin mint brownies. Yum. So let me tell you how this recipe all came about. Every year we buy Girl Scout cookies. I love the Girl Scouts and I love the cookies. And we always get thin mints along with other varieties. Well, yesterday a box appears via the mail, which I did not order. Michael ordered it, and inside were 4 more boxes of thin mints and 4 of these Samoas. But along with the cookies was this recipe, and it said thin mint brownies, and I thought, wow, that is a really good idea. So I look at the recipe and it requires a box mix, and if you follow my channel, you know I don't do box mixes. So today we are making my fudgy chocolate brownie recipe, and I'm tweaking it a lot. So I've gone ahead and melted some butter and some semi-sweet chocolate, and we're gonna put this into our large mixing bowl like this. To that, I'm gonna be adding sugar, 3 eggs, and vanilla. And we're gonna whisk this around. Now we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. This is our cocoa powder, flour. This is a semi-sweet baking bar, 2 ounces that I've coarsely chopped, and our salt. And we're gonna fold this together. There we go. And this is basically the recipe for my fudgy chocolate brownies. Now, we're also gonna be adding 1 sleeve of Girl Scout cookies that I have kind of chopped up. Ooh, here's some big pieces. Let's crunch those up. You want them to be in chunks, not finely ground. And on a side note, with thin mints, I mean seriously, I can eat an entire box of thin mints on my own. I'm being fully transparent here. I can eat a whole box on my own, probably in less than an hour. It's been done. And to that, we're also going to be adding, these are mint chips. So we're going to add those as well. That's my little spin on these Girl Scout thin mint brownies. My oven's been preheating to 350 degrees. And I've gone ahead and lined a 9x13 baking pan with parchment paper. And I've put our brownie, our thin mint brownie batter in, right? And we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes and then we'll come back. Well, here they are. I let them cool completely in the pan before I took them out and cut them. And I thought I would give them a little drizzle of chocolate just to dress them up a little bit. So I put 4 thin mints on these brownies, and I left these without, but they'll all have the drizzle. So which do you prefer? Just curious. So I guess the only thing left to do is try one. I made my own fudge brownie recipe, and then I took the recipe from the Girl Scouts and I added in the thin mint cookies, and then I added in some mint chips. So let's see if it's true to form. I'm gonna take this one, it has a little crack in it. There we go. Wow, all right. I really get, oh, look at that. I really got thin mint cookie in this. And then the mint chips are just an added bonus. This is really good. So I'm gonna leave a link to the recipe, my recipe for this, in the description below. These were really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.